Hello everybody, welcome to another episode from How to Webmaster. My name is Leon and today I am updating you guys on my progress with YouTube. It has been 210 days since I've got monetization back in May 23rd, 2019, and today is December 24th, 2019. So here are the view stats. It has grown since about 400 to 500 views a day, and now it is averaging 1,000 views a day. And here's the revenue. There's the total estimated revenue. Now let's check out the Google AdSense analytics. So here's the stats since May 23rd. These are ad impressions. It's gone up from about 600 views, ad impressions, to 2,400 views at the highest right here, which means it jumped 4 times since May 23rd. And over here, my video views only doubled from 500 to 1,000, but the ad impressions has jumped up to 4 times. So which means more ads are showing on my videos. But here is the weird thing about the page rate or the ad rate. So as my ad impression goes up, for some odd reason my ad rate or the amount I get paid gets less and less. As you can see here, the purple line is the ad rate. At first it is quite high, and now it is like half the ad rate as I used to get, even though my ad impression views have doubled since September 1st here. So it is a weird situation. Here's the clicks. So the more views I get, the more clicks I get. The green line is the clicks, purple line is the ad rate. However, I get more clicks, I get more views, but my ad rate has gone downwards. So in the end, I'm not earning any more than I used to back a couple months ago. I'm not really sure what's going on, but it is quite demotivating to see that I'm getting more views and clicks, but my earnings are still the same or even decreasing. If the ad rate is right here, big decline. Anyhow, that's YouTube monetization. You never know about your earnings. It can go up, down at any given moment. And my channel is about internet marketing, so relatively pretty high paying. So it started out really high, about over $5 and even $10 per 1,000 views. And now it's barely $2, $3 per 1,000 views. About half, that's what I used to make. So anyways, I hope this helps, give you some ideas about what to expect with YouTube monetization. Thanks so much for viewing. Let me know if you guys have any questions, comments, suggestions. Okay, thanks again and happy YouTubing.